Egypt, steppe eagle, a symbol of majesty and power. The steppe eagle is native to Egypt and represents the country's connection to its ancient history and natural beauty. Canada, beaver, known for its industrious nature, the beaver symbolizes hard work and determination, reflecting the pioneering spirit of Canada's early settlers. Saudi Arabia, Arabian horse, known for its elegance, speed, and endurance. The Arabian horse is a symbol of grace and nobility in Saudi Arabia, reflecting the country's rich equestrian heritage. China, giant panda, known for its gentle nature and iconic black and white markings. The giant panda is a symbol of peace and friendship in China, as well as a conservation icon. South Korea, Siberian tiger. Though not native to South Korea, the Siberian tiger is a symbol of national pride and conservation efforts, representing strength, courage, and protection of endangered species. Norway, Eurasian lynx, a symbol of Norway's wilderness and rugged landscapes. The Eurasian lynx represents stealth, independence, and adaptability. Brazil, jaguar, as the largest big cat in the Americas, the jaguar symbolizes strength, power, and stealth, reflecting Brazil's rich biodiversity and natural heritage. France, Gallic rooster, also known as the French rooster. The Gallic rooster is a symbol of France's national pride and spirit, representing vigilance, courage, and strength. United Kingdom, lion. Though not native to the British Isles, the lion has been a symbol of British monarchy and strength since ancient times, representing courage and nobility. Russia, Russian bear, a symbol of strength and resilience. The bear holds cultural significance in Russia, often representing the country's power and endurance. United States, bald eagle, symbol of freedom and strength. The bald eagle is the national bird and symbol of the United States, representing power, majesty, and independence. India, Bengal tiger. The majestic Bengal tiger is a symbol of India's rich wildlife and cultural heritage, representing strength, courage, and royalty. Mexico, golden eagle, symbolizing power, bravery, and freedom. The golden eagle is an important symbol in Mexican culture and history, representing strength and endurance. Australia, red kangaroo, the largest kangaroo species. The red kangaroo is a symbol of Australia's unique wildlife and vast, open landscapes. Italy, Italian wolf. The Italian wolf is a symbol of Italy's rugged wilderness and untamed beauty, representing strength, loyalty, and resilience. Germany, German eagle, depicted as a black eagle with a golden beak and talons. The German eagle symbolizes power, unity, and sovereignty in Germany's national identity. Sweden, moose. The moose, or elk, is a symbol of Sweden's vast forests and wildlife diversity, representing strength, endurance, and harmony with nature. Japan, Japanese serow, a mountain-dwelling goat antelope species native to Japan. The Japanese serow symbolizes resilience, agility, and adaptability in Japan's natural environment. Spain, bull. In Spain, the bull symbolizes strength, bravery, and vitality, often associated with the country's traditional bullfighting culture and as a symbol of national identity.